Good day, my wonderful learners. I want to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to do that. Today I want to continue with percentage. I want to encourage you to watch my previous video on percentage. So we have two questions to solve today. A student scored 15 out of a possible 60 mark in a test. What is the percentage of the mark score? So you need to write this in form of ratio. The score of the students is 15. So that means we have 15, while the total mark is 60. So we have 15 over 60. And if you want to write this in form of fraction, you will end up having 15 over 60. So if you want to calculate the percentage of the mark score, so percentage now will be 15 over 60 times 100%. So you need to reduce it to its lowest term. 0 will eliminate another 0 here. 3 here 5, 3 here 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. 5 times 5 will give you 25%. Then solution to question 2. The score of a student in a test is 30 out of 80. What is the percentage score? So the ratio will be 30 ratio 80, which is equivalent to 30 over 80. So the percentage will be 30 over 80 times 100%. 0 will eliminate 0 here. 2 here 4, 2 here 50. 2 in 4 will give us 2, and 2 in 50 will give us 25. So by the time you multiply 3 times 25, you will have 75% over 2. So how many times will 2 goes in 75? That will be 37, whole number 1 over 2%. Thank you.